saa cia bilingi wa mauvo.
Watinde ata muno mweseisha Mutongo TV na wikwatio wende kwithiwa na muthenya wa kwa ilani wa kana na wa matuku ana mwini wa thanthatu mwaka ni wa 2026 ninaokethia na no thocha na mwako eli tumanithie thini wa vilingi wa mauvo mwendoni wa saa mwanza masito makwa nitawa Beti wa Mwania. Tuambililia mauvo mwitoni kana atongo imandeni kauntini ya Masako ngua mwavuli wa ngwatanio yamo ya United Clergy Alliance ndimo mania vanene numangano ile inelekelwe kula kwa gavana wa kaunti ya Masako Mwandu wa Vinyandeti ni mbunge wa Mavoko Patrick Makao ivinda ya ndambuka ya Linda Mwananchi atongo ya mandini juu mumia wetano kwi ateti kana kwina uteti wina ndaiya na kusesea mwito la meutongo ine ni maelezea kuongeleka kwa kila meweta takivudhia na maoneni manu mangano thini wa kiwanza cha kiuteti na kisiasa. Susan Kavilino kuelezea.
Atongoi amandini mainena matongoi weni Bishop Charles Kababu ni maumania vanene numano ile inaelekelwe kula kwa gavana wa Vinyandeti aiweta atongoi maile kukumbatilia na kuimiandaya na kuivadhana na ndeto sia kuvuthia amwaitu
ndeto ni nayekete kana womba no ni usu umwe wa atongoi ma siasa no sie kwenda kwikia umaitha na sumu kunena ndoto sie na sumu kwa umwe wa atongo imaitu maka ala ula wikite wina kitumi no takayika
Mutabanya kitabi nake nwaweta kana alama konetie na maoneni tamaile kuite wekeo aiweta uneni uota ukothothe kuvathula kwaka na kunyamaswa kimivae aiweta ndeto ta ni sesiona na siamu ikaloa mutongoi
tu umania ndeto isu kwa kethiomo kila kevina pio kwa atongoi alama tutongoe sema kisiasa tuyasya kithiomo kiu tikiseo na nikiuthucha zeve kula kwi andu ala twina mo aka ciana citu cia yetu na atongoi aka onthe ni tukulia tutekwisuvana kana uwekeo ni witwe na ndeto isu ima nthondu ciekumwa ithe withia nzeve ni athea nundu atongoi maitu ma kisiasa maambia kutumia kithiomo kina kiko na cha kumenana na cha kwanangania masietwa na cha kwanangania mwikalile indi ithionthe twalikwa ikuniane
nake Bishop Emeritus Kioko Mutungi nuathuthia atongo ikunenga yanya yambe maundu alama vinyie ene nthi vandu va kutuambe mawendimo ayumia witano kwinzama ya kuikithia wiwano na umwe NCIC kwase ya matambia atongo alama ikumia ndeto mbai haiweta kiene kikwete mwaniko na muno kavindani katwelekele usakwanini wangilile miongo eli na mwonza
way our politics is taking is not the best way. We are not setting good example, and it has become a norm that instead of talking development agenda, we are turning to personal vendetta. And if I were to be asked, I think our politics should be issue-based, and as the politicians have been telling us the same. So why can't you adhere to what you are telling us and what we are telling you? Because we all want peace. All the security departments that are in place should also implement the law such that when there are such utterances, abusive language, vulgar language in particular, that they should also use the same measure of the law to make the right decisions to such people.
Atongoi amandini ni mumia witano kwi atongoi maki uteti kumia uumwe pamwena ndaya katikati wo kabindani ka uteti wikinyie ngilivote ya bilingo wa movo neta wa Susan Kabili.
Ukanyuma vyuo ni wamwakene nthi makisio cha athiriva wamwena isio lingi siithirulukite kwitha ngono yulwa kuongoleka kwa angangani ala methi tumaitwikithite mobisa ma kuandikithia kana kutethesia ene nthi kukwata mabalua mavata serikali tamako siawa kana birth certificate kwena na kibu athiriva Cecilia Nzioka atianie na atongo kisioni kiu sesoni ya kutethesia ene nthi kukwata mabalua suku ya EPZ maweta kana ene nthi aingi methi tumailusaniwa na kuvenu ilovia ni mobisa ama chate kwa hivinda yasa ene nthi ni makwata mabalua mbewa yani mwana miongo monza maelesia undu methi tumainyama kumakwata
utafute time uende ukajichukulia hiyo birth certificate.
Of late tumekuwa na issues ambao watu wanakuja wanatapeliwa wakiambiwa watachukuliwa birth certificate, wanatoa pesa 1,100 ama 2,000, na wakati saa zingine wanapata hizo birth certificate, lakini unapata hizo birth certificate haziko genuine kwa sababu kulingana na sheria za birth certificate mtoto anafaa kuchukuliwa birth certificate wakati mahali amezaliwa, na wengine unapata mtoto ni kama amezaliwa Machakos na imeenda kuchukuliwa Kajiado. Wakati itafikia kiwango mtu ana process ile birth certificate, ana process passport na ama visa, inapatikana hiyo birth certificate haiko genuine, na watu wengi wetu sana wa EPZ wamepoteza pesa kupitia kwa hiyo njia, na wengine wanaenda hata kukosa kupata hizo birth certificate. Kuna watoto wengi ama wafanyikazi wengi wa kipato cha chini sana, na hii initiative ya kupeana birth certificates ililetwa kwa sababu ya demand ile ilikuwa imetokana na wafanyikazi wa hapa ambao walikuwa wamenyang'anywa kwa muda mrefu na watapeli. Hiki cheti cha certificate sio rahisi sana kukipata kwa sababu wafanyikazi wengi hapa hawana nafasi ya kuenda mahali kwa hizi registration offices ili kuprocess hizi certificates zao. So because ya kilio chao tukaona ni vizuri tukuje hapa tuwasaidie. Wakati tulifika hapa kulikuwa na demand sana, watu 700 walijaza hizo certificates kuonesha kwamba kuna demand ya hizo certificates.
Ene nthi yala methia wana mamutha me mwanyani makulia kufadhiwa mianya ya utongoi ila serikali nzao ikwithiwa iyosa utongoi mwaka nyukite maithingilila kana vena vata wa moko koniwa nthini wa utongoi kwianana na katiba kandi ya Kenya ondu mwana miyo yala methia wana mamutha me mwanya ya mwaka wa 2025 ama inena meki manisioni cha masomo me mwanya cha Kenya ni mamienda nzama nyuiva na mevaka IEBC kutongi ya nzama ya ngwatanio kwa alame na mamutha me mwanya kavindane ka maikulia siama cia kiuteti kwa mbesi angava ciala methia wana mamutha me mwanya tanzie mwe ya kwikithia kana ni methiwa na ituisi ya kuyana mbunge nene ondu mwe na mbunge cia county.
Advancing democracy and fostering inclusion for persons with disabilities, underscoring our steadfast commitment to an inclusive governance framework that ensures no Kenyan is marginalized. Implementation of these articles and other provisions in the Constitution pertaining to our rights and fundamental freedom as persons with disabilities.
Call for all of the society approach WASA in eliminating stigma and discrimination. We further call for economic empowerment and full participation at all levels of society. Appointment of more persons with disability into key leadership position, including cabinet secretaries, principal secretaries, to ensure our voice is represented at the highest level of decision making.
Power. Further, assistive technologies must be fully integrated, coupled with laws to combat discriminatory language, cyberbullying, and body shaming.
Yes.
Education reform must focus on strengthening inclusive education and training, and that of provision of free sanitary products for persons with disability. Number 8, we recognize the promulgation of the new Persons Disability Act 2025, National Disability Policy, and the ratification of African African Disability Protocol. We hereby demand their full implementation, and in particular, the development of the regulation for the implementation of the Persons with Disability Act 2025.
Nukathiva sana tuciokithite na mauvo angi ala tukumbanisye nthini wa mesa itu ya mauvo.
Lumina International Schools, une waku ni mubingwe tena primary na junior school kwambia PP1 mpaka PP2, primary school kwambia grade 1 mpaka grade 6 na junior school kwambia grade 7 kubika grade 9. Wosani wa mwaka wa 2026 ni uendeze tiba headquarter ya Ukamba Masako lelo ni wakuma Masako kuthima kuweni tena boarding school na day scholars mawithiululuko maitu ni makwendesia ila sinene iwanza seothaukia kundu kwa ukoma na kiwu kitathela na mwaki wa stima. We musiai osa ibuso wete mwana waku Lumina International Schools na waete siana ile wenengwa discount ya 5% na hindi waete siana itatu wenengwa discount ya 10%. Lilikana musiai wewe ya mwana bisi mwana enengwa mabuku mitiani ngina ilasi ya kompyuta maleu onde kwambia kwacha leu asa mwanza na iya weyo obisi ni osu musiai waiba. Lilikana boarding ya Mbeya kuma grade 4 mpaka grade 9 nena na Lumina International Schools kwisila 0700786355 yani noti mwanza noti mwanza nana thandatu itatu itano kana kwisila 0756646164 kana ulike website ni yitu ilani info@luminainternationalschools.ke. Lumina International Schools, igniting potential, inspiring future possibilities. Ongelanga mausiao na Dehus Kenya, nundu va Dehus Kenya. Tena utaalamu wa miaka mingi wa kumandheonde, dhiulu wa kuongelanga mausiao maindo. Kwa kuseubia leu museo, ula utatitwe na ukatumiwa ni aimi kumandheonde. Tena complete feed, ula niliwi tayari na wina mandeni onde, mema vulanie makaseubia leu umwe. Tena concentrate ila aimi mavulana siana maleu alamedhiana mota mbemba kana mavia ni kana kusubia ngalama ya ndithia na tena speciality feed ulani liwa ndithia ila ikwiana tena liwa nguku sia broiler kusiongela kilo na kuikithia nisia nene pa mituki liwito ni kuma kwa tusuito nini kubika kwa nguku nima tena layer feed na ila itethea sia nguku kulecha matumbi maingi na maseo tena maleu mangulue sia muika wonde alama tumangulue inene vanesa kondu wa nyama na kusiana nesa yani kuikithia waithia ngulue kumathi nini ikasiana nginya ukesa kumitaka na kuthinza ikatunga lato munene tena liwa ng'ombe sia thia nzau malondu mbui tutena na tusau maliu maitu maseobetie kuongelanga thia kuseubia uima wa mwe waindo kuikithia mwimi ni wetha na ndithia thina vaita kwake kwa maubombe yange kana kuthoa liwa ndithia yaku nena na Dehus Kenya Limited kwisila noti mwanza inya ile itano ile imwe thandatu itatu ile kana utume email kwa info.ke@dehus.com kana ulike kwa website yetu elani www.dehus.co.ke.
Mukamba ni wese uimane udhui na kwa uo ndo ilite kubatithia na uima waku wa mwi. Rafiki Herbal Clinic ungua Herbal Dr. Mwithia nicho kliniki cha ndawa cia miti kila kitongo etie kwa witi mwithianu na wandawa siki ukunikili wa ki-science netuita mauki bathukanio ta typhoid, ndetema, amoeba, bio, ulcers, arthritis, kulea kusia kwa mbatoni ndakame, ukosebina wa kiume, mauma kekonde, asthma, mauma metambo, fibroids, sukali na mauangi. Komana na Herbal Dr. Mwithia kila chuma pa uikala wakuambelili mituko imumu athandatu twikabati kwa kanolndo kuthengeana na ATM ya Equity stage ya kuthilobi oingi twi makindu kwa Makindu Motors kuthengeana na police post kung'ethanisia na Mumbuni driving school wakili matuko ile twitala kuthengeana na Flavors restaurant kati wa Total petrol station na Isma supermarket wakatatu matuko atatu matu stage kwa kinatwa Sacco booking office kuthengeania na Matuma supermarket wakana matuko anatu ikitwi Red Camolid na wa Intel bookshop kunda kindu stage ya Probox ya Mbitini kung'ethanisia na Chama tu hotel wakatano matuko watano twi Masaku complex inn kuthengeania na Automat supermarket kuthengeania na Bata na wathandatu matuko thandatu twi Mulolongo 3Ds hotel floor ya nthi katikati wa Automat supermarket na China market kwa maobombe ange tuthoke mobisi na maitu alama bingu wetu kila muthenya Dar es Salaam Ilobi Mombasa Masako wote Kitui Kibwezi na Emali kana utukunie simu kwesela noti muonza ile imwe noti kenda noti kana noti muonza na ina ile 55 kana ututume SMS kana WhatsApp kwesela noti muonza imwe noti kenda noti nyanya Rafiki Herbal Clinic, we treat, God heals.
Ninaodho chengi twende na kumanithia na ni vilingi wa mauvo twisonga na mbe na mauvo metonekana umwe kati wandu ana halame kati wa kuwa miaka 14 nginya 19 ni mawetwa kwithwa mekumbila wa ni mathina mawima wa kileko na kulea kumanyika kwa itumisia kuwete mathina ndulosu kumi sievata munene wa kwithwa na masomo mena utuika na uthukumi wa kuyana kukitana na mathina ma muthemba ene yanda maunduni ma kukitana na mathina ma kileko miasia kana vena vata wa kwikwa kwa mawalanyo kwikiwa mawalanyo memwanya na kukoni alama kunikita ni mathina aingi maisukumi sia kuongela kwa budget ya kukitana na mathina asu mainene ya kikaloni kimwanya kauntini ya Mombasa ingi ni masukumi sia kwithwa na ndagitali wa wima wa kileko nthini wa kila kaunti nikana kuolanga siko sia muthemba usu.
That you bring people and you create solutions that are based on their own experience. It's an element of human-centered design that when you design with the person in mind, you're likely to create a much more powerful solution than if you sit in a room as a scientist and then create a solution on your own.
There are a lot of silent mental health issues that people don't deal with, even at workplace. Workplace mental health, the stress at mental health, the stress in the family, the financial burdens people have, all these are mental health issues that we are not able to identify right now.
We've gone above and beyond to deliver exactly that, to make the data visible, to make it accessible, to make it scalable, and to make it into a format that can be accessed by policymakers.
Impact translates into action already because they've been working closely with stakeholders, they've been working with policymakers, they've been working with people with lived experience and expertise in data science because they're data-driven solutions.
Accord in the workflows, in the method.
Serikali kwisila muvia wa maundu ma utandithia ni kwatianite na kampuni wa kusiuvya na kukwata nyangali vanthi ya Kenya KVM kuvingwa kisesi mbia cha kukwata nyangali muthemba wa Toyota ngaliko siathika mubango lao vanite kwa ilia vanene maundu ma ukui na nthi ya Kenya kukwata ivuso ya kwithwa kisesi kinene cha kusiuvya ngali lembetani ya Afrika ya umilono wa sua. Minister muviane wa utandithia Lee Kinyanjui ni wathoja vanene mubango aiweta kanano vanite kukilia ya Kenya kiokwati kisese keunakila kiukutumia kimanza cha silingi bilioni 3 ungua kampuni wa Safe Mobility Kenya kwithwa kuvingwa vanene maundu ma kiokwati.
Because it allows Kenya to be in a position where we can do a bit of value addition here. Our hope eventually is that value addition can be expanded. Now, what is important is that for Kenya to develop its auto industry, there are certain things that must be done. And I think we've already outlined part of that here. One, we need to build our local auto parts manufacturing, whether they are tire making, battery making, exhaust, chairs, and all those things. Secondly, is also technical expertise and expansion, such as what we've been able to see here. And I think that is also moving well. We also have the automotive policy that is at an advanced stage. And the automotive policy is going to set out all the incentives that the government will be offering, including conditions necessary for the thriving of the industry.
The highest line we expect to assemble roughly around 700 units per annum, and then increase it as demand increases and we go along. Over and above this, we will then transfer or set up the factory for other manufacturing and assembly, including the Land Cruiser 79, the Hilux, and then eventually the Fortuners. But KVM remains a multi-branded assembly plant for now, and we will continue to assemble all the other makes. We are also doing Sino trucks here in KVM, as well as Mercedes-Benz, apart from other manufacturers and other makes that we are currently doing.
Ndi gisese chaku chendete cha Mutongoi TV na Mutongoi FM kwe monthi nitwambi siandambuka yitu thi mwanya ila yambi ya sokoni wa Mulolongo athiriva na yu timu yitu yelekele makutano machumvi na vala mu makutano machumvi mekwithwa tambuka Machakos Town, Masi, makutano Mamwala, Kaba, Kidhimani, Sofia na indi memi ni ndambuka isuma tu ndambuka inu yetete kwa kondosio wa Agricultural Society of Kenya kana ASK. Vala indi meumanithia ene ndi kuyumilia kwa wingi ndini wa mawona ni omane mahala toi wiki wanza necha showground musini wa Masako. Ndambuka ino tuengwatanio na makambuni meki walukanywa wibo, kambuni wa CGA, kambuni wa DEUS, kambuni wa UTS, kati wa makambuni angi hikithia kanani we yumilia kwa wingi kwa manena tangazi maku wala umendete ni kwithwa ni maukuie mausio chondo mwita mwakito na mausio so yumilie ni kanama unengelelie mausio asu mayotabia mwakite na chao na indi ndambuka yesu na kuya itha ithirila sokoni wa matu muthenyani wa umundi neti na ndambuka situ ni muthenyani wa uni wa katano huyo kukethiwa na chathi kinene kila kikethiwa baye golf club. Nadi ni muvya muno museisya wa Mutongoi TV nondo wa kwitikila tunengelelie movo maitu ma muthenyani wa umundi ni kuendea muthenya wa kwa ila nyaneto wa Beti wa Mwania Tindanesa.